Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Venu X1 and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this watch. First we need to open the menu on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. Once the menu opens, scroll through it and look for the settings icon, and once you find it, of course, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, look for the option called display and brightness, and once you find it, tap on it, and here look for the option called timeout. It's going to be at the bottom of the brightness menu, or display and brightness menu, my bad. So tap on the timeout, and here we have list of durations. We have only 3, we have 4 seconds, 8 seconds and 15 seconds. Select the one you like, and once you're done, you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. I selected 15 seconds, so my screen should turn off after 15 seconds of an activity. So if I won't touch the watch or the screen on the watch, the buttons, it won't turn on, or rather it will turn off after 15 seconds of an activity, like this. So basically if I won't touch it, it will turn off to save the power, and it will take it 15 seconds because I selected 15 seconds of timeout. Okay, and that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.